If you're a fan of fried chicken, you can't afford to skip this video. Listen to this. Wow, it's so incredibly tasty. Join me as I create my own version of fried chicken today. I'm sure you wouldn't disappoint. Let's begin.
Oh yeah!
Helen's recipes.
Ingredients you will need: 2 kg of chicken thighs and wings, a few lime leaves, salt, pepper, chili powder, garlic powder, lemongrass powder, ginger powder, about a tablespoon each, and 250 g of all-purpose flour, 2 eggs, and 150 ml of cold soda. Then put all the chicken thighs and wings into a plastic bag and add half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of ground pepper, and some minced lime leaves for a special flavor of Vietnamese cuisine. Shake well and let stay for about 30 minutes so the chicken thighs and wings are well marinated. For the wet batter, you will need 2 eggs, half a can of cold soda, half a teaspoon of salt, and half of the all-purpose flour, which is 70 g. Mix well to get all combined into a thick batter. For the dry batter, you will need 140 g of flour, a tablespoon of pepper, 2/3 teaspoon of salt, ginger powder, garlic powder, lemongrass powder, and chili powder, about a tablespoon each. Combine all of these in a Ziploc bag. Now add 40 g of flour into the marinated chicken thighs and wings to coat a thin layer outside of the chicken. Then take out one piece and shake lightly to dust off the excess flour, and then dip into the wet batter and then into the dry batter. Pack tightly to coat a thick layer of the batter outside of each chicken piece. Now heat vegetable oil on medium until bubbles appear around the chopstick. That's about 165 degrees Celsius or 330 Fahrenheit, and fry the chicken for about 12 to 14 minutes until golden brown. Wow, the fried chicken smells so good and it's so juicy with very nice aroma that reminds of Vietnamese cuisine. Let's try the wing piece now. Don't forget that chili sauce. Oh my, you gotta try this to know how good it is. And it's so easy to make, right? Don't forget to send me the final products of yours and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I will see you then next time. Bye bye!